Hello there. I just wanted to do a quick video to thank you all for helping me to get to 500 subscribers. It may seem like a small thing, but reaching this goal has been what has motivated me to create videos and work towards making them better and more informative. I look forward to reaching my next goal of 1,000 subscribers, and to do so, I will strive to make even more and better videos, including the projects here on Lemaire, tours of other cool and interesting boats, and a new series I'm working on that I will announce in the very near future. And more importantly, I endeavor to do more sailing because after all, that's really what this is all about. So again, thank you for your support and joining me in my journey. Have a wonderful day and cheers to you.